Hello everyone. So in this video I wanted to announce that I am now accepting requests for workshops. Uh, Not many people know, but I used to do free workshops, free Drupal workshops in colleges in Delhi. And I did these workshops for a long time. I used to really enjoy these and doing these workshops because uh, I think it is a great way to improve yourself, improve your public speaking skills, and at the same time, you're also helping others, right? I mean, I always think about me first. What exactly am I getting out of it? But at the same time, if you're doing something like a free workshop for students, I think in a way you're also helping others. And I used to do these workshops in Delhi, and these workshops helped me to, of course, improve my skills, my training skills, which I, of course, used. I still use, by the way. I am still, doing it on my videos because when you make videos or when you're doing any work, any consultation work, you have to do a lot of speaking, and you really need to know what you're talking about, what you're doing. So I used to do these workshops on Drupal. Drupal, in case you don't know, is a CMS based framework, which uh, which I used to use quite a lot. In fact, at Sparksys, we do primarily two things. We do Atlassian work, Atlassian consultancy, and we also do Drupal development work. And I have done couple of Jira workshops as well, by the way, in colleges, but not really a lot. But now I am going to do more of these workshops. So, in case you are a university or a college anywhere in the world, if you are in UK or if you are in India, most likely we can also do this workshop like in person. I would love to do it in person, but we can always do it online. Recently, I did one workshop for a university in Germany, KLU University, and I really enjoyed doing that workshop. So, talking about what exactly we'll be doing in this workshop. So, in this workshop, I can do basically an introduction to Jira. So, uh, if you are a college or a university where students are doing any kind of computer science, software development, or IT related work, then of course this workshop would be wonderful. But to be honest, you don't really need to have a technical background or any technical course. Anyone can attend this workshop, in my opinion, because Jira essentially is an issue tracker. And in case you want your students to know or learn about Jira, or maybe you want them to get started with Jira, then I believe this workshop would be wonderful for them. And this workshop is going to be free. The duration would be 1 hour or maybe 1.5 hour. And the only request I have from you is if I'm not charging for this workshop, then please don't charge your students as well. So, in case you are approaching me for this workshop, uh, I want this workshop to be absolutely free for also the students, because it has happened in the past where I did a workshop once in one college. I'll of course not name the college, but I did this workshop, uh, a Drupal workshop, and of course my workshop was free. But I later learned that the college authorities actually charged students for that workshop. So it was uh, really bad, and I felt really sad about it as well. So please don't charge your students. And in case you think you can use my skills, my time for this workshop, I would be super happy to do it. So please reach out to me. You can go to my website sparksys.com, and I'll share the link in the description, by the way. And you can just go to sparksys.com and you'll find a button to approach to basically reach out to me. Or you can go to my website ravisagar.in, or you can connect me on LinkedIn. So just reach out to me, and we can work out on this workshop uh, arrangements. And I believe this this particular workshop is something that I would now continue to do. I mean, in the last few years, like I think 4 years, 5 years, I was not really accepting any new request for these workshops, but I believe now I'm back to uh, back to what I used to do. I really missed it, by the way, because when I do these workshops, it is also a very good experience for me. I also learn always something new. For example, the workshop I did recently for this university in Germany, this workshop was attended by students of supply chain management. So you can imagine that supply chain management is of course not really software development, but definitely Jira, because Jira is an issue tracking tool, and you can also plan your work uh, using Jira Work Management, for example. So non-technical teams, anyone who is doing any sort of planning can definitely use Jira. So that is all I wanted to talk about today, uh, and that is it. Reach out to me. Bye bye.